Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to step away from sewing for a bit of crafting because we are officially into November. We are past Halloween. All of my Halloween decorations have been cleaned up. My ghouls and goblins, my skeletons and cobwebs are gone. And I'm feeling a little bit like I need something to bridge the gap between Halloween and Christmas for my front door in particular. I have a hook on my front door, and last year for the first time I think ever in my life, I got a Christmas wreath for the front door and I absolutely loved it. Loved it so much, in fact, that when summer came, I got a summer floral wreath for the front door and thought it was a really lovely addition. At Halloween, we have ghosties and ghouls that hang on the front door, but now that everything is down after a year of having something up, my front door feels absolutely naked. And so I thought I really need a Thanksgiving decoration, a wreath, a fall something to keep my door happy between Halloween and Christmas. In that vein, I did the only thing I really could do. I went to the dollar store because I really wanted a great, beautiful wreath, but the ones that I was finding at the stores were a little bit, shall we say, outside of the budget for a 3-week wreath. And while I plan on being able to use this again next year, I definitely didn't want to go out and spend $50, $60, $70 on a wreath, which is what some of them were looking like they were going to cost. So I got a major haul and I'm super excited about it because that's what you do at the dollar store. You just buy everything in sight because it's $1. They did not have, this is probably really loud. Ugh. That's probably better, right? Okay, they did not have the traditional green foam wreaths that I think are really popular for floral arrangements. They also didn't have any type of twig wreaths, which I think has also become really popular for door wreaths because you can kind of weave the flowers and leaves and so forth into them. Instead, what I did find was this metal wreath, which I think will serve well. I think it'll hang on the door well, which is really nice. And it says floral garden wreath ring. So I mean, technically it should work, but I'm a little concerned about how I'm gonna get the flowers to stay on it. I mean, I have like my handy dandy hot glue gun here, which I'm pretty excited about. I just don't know that it's gonna work without something else. So I went ahead and dug through my stash and I ended up finding some of this burlap ribbon that I don't even know what I bought it for. Obviously like a country chic project that never got made. And I was thinking maybe it would work if I kind of wove the wreath through and then ended up gluing the flowers onto it. And I think we're gonna dive right in and see if it works. So if you are into crafting, I hope you will stick around and watch to the end of the video to see if I make something pretty spectacular, or pretty terrible. Yeah, I'm really excited about this because I don't necessarily do just a bunch of crafting. I usually do mostly sewing, mostly cooking, and cleaning up after small human beings. But every once in a while I want to challenge myself to do a little bit of crafting. So ye old trusty glue gun to start. Okay. Let's trim some of those off, and I think we're going to be pretty set. And this is, I think, going to be a really great base actually to glue the flowers to. Maybe even poke them through, because it is traditional burlap. There are really nice thick, or not thick, big holes. Push that in without burning myself, preferably. Okay, now that I've butchered like $8 worth of dollar store florals, let's mash them all back together and make it look pretty doing it. Okay. I think starting with like a layer of leaves, and then building up and putting the flowers and the little baubles on top last might give us the most bang for our buck. So I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. I really love, I love that. Isn't it beautiful? I love these ones. Okay guys, I think that is it today for our fall Thanksgiving wreath. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I have a few flowers left over here and a few leaves. So in the event that any of these get knocked off or blown off, or get kind of boogered up between this Thanksgiving when they get packed away and next Thanksgiving when I get it out to decorate the door. I'll have those as backups. But overall, for my first wreath that I've ever actually made to hang on the door, and for it only being $10 from the dollar store, I'm very, very happy with it. It is, I think, smaller than the other wreaths I have made. We have a fairly large front door, but I think this is going to be just perfect to bridge the gap, give us a little bit of fall cheer, some beautiful Thanksgiving decor for when we welcome family over for our big dinner. And then it can get put away and we can get that lovely Christmas wreath out. But for now, I am so excited about my beautiful Thanksgiving wreath. And if I make any more wreaths, I think I will probably follow a similar technique and just pack it as full as humanly possible in order to get that really lovely full look. So thank you so very much for joining me today. I hope you like this little one-day project that can spruce up your home and make it fun and warm and thankful. If you like this, please hit the like and subscribe button and join us again on other adventures. Normally here we do mostly sewing vintage projects and beautiful costumes, but every once in a while a good craft day is a great day to have. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Have like my handy dandy hot glue gun here, which I'm pretty excited about. The smell is kind of nostalgic from my childhood melting glue.